having a wonderful day here. We'll take a look at Bitcoin to see what's going on right now because we are just burning through this RSI right now, which is kind of good because if we want to see more upside in Bitcoin, we need to see this, this RSI continue to burn up. And again, I think if once we finish this correction here, we should actually be set for a big surge higher above 100K and continue to eat up through this resistance. Again, there's some people who don't think that we're going to be able to get above 100K before the end of the year. I mean, anything is possible. Although I do agree that there is probably a lot of people trying to front run and get out before 100K. I mean, like, who's going to be the guy that's going to buy Bitcoin at 100,000? Who's going to be the first guy with his opening a long position at $100,000? You know what I mean? So we're still waiting for that one guy to do it. It's not going to be me, but who is it going to be, right? And nobody wants to. Everyone wants to sell before. Everyone wants to sell at 100, but nobody wants to buy at 100. Maybe Michael Saylor can be the guy that buys at 100. But anyways, right now, Bitcoin's been following our account. We got a 5-wave move down, so we know that we are in the corrective move at the moment, and then we got a 3-wave move up. All right, so there you go. I got rid of that, kind of cleaned it up here, make it a little bit nicer for you guys today to be able to see. And now we ended this with no divergence on the 4-hour. We got downsloping RSI here on this downsloping trend line on the RSI. So eventually, once this breaks out, you'll know that the move lower is done. Again, it could already technically be done right here, but I would like to see one more move down in a 5-wave move here with a C leg extending down and taking out this low on the RSI, kind of like a quick flush down, if you will, or at least a drop or some slow bleed down that continues to push the RSI and altcoins keep melting up. Yeah, overall, we are looking for something like this, right, for it to play out. And again, I'm not always going to be right, but I was warning you guys that we're probably going to be entering this 5th wave once we break out, and we broke out, we came back, we retested, and then you're off to the races, right? So that was your signal, to get long on this move. Again, I exited my position a little bit early. I was on vacation, but man, did this thing just kept going, just kept on going. And now we've got 5 waves up. So now we're in a corrective move. How much are we going to correct before it's all said and done? Remains to be seen. But again, I got a buy area for you guys. If we were to dip down, it's basically right where the support ends at 85,000. But it could start forming support right before 90,000. So basically at 90,000. So anywhere in this range is a dip buy area. Again, if we go below, it's a stop out. So just know that. Keep that in the back of your head. It's not all party time nonstop. Nothing to worry about. But yeah, this is what I'm looking at. And yeah, so I think that there's a strong chance that Bitcoin continues to chop here. Altcoins are going crazy, absolutely bananas. I actually entered a trade right now, just now, not too long ago. Let me just share it with you guys. Let me see here. If you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. We're up 13% already on this BLZ trade. Opened a long on WIF 2. So looking to see if that's going to play out. So again, if you guys want to join the Discord, get access to my trades, the link's in the description. We're up over 100% this year in the portfolio. We're going to continue to compound those gains until the end of the year. All right. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, man, like the altcoins are going crazy right now. I hope they continue to go crazy, but once they end and it stops and you see Bitcoin pumping, that's when money's going to flow out of alts and come back into Bitcoin, and you'll see that surge above 100K. Maybe we'll go back to 110, 120. We'll be in price discovery mode from there. Okay. All right. Anyways, that is it for me tonight, guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful day, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.